मैं अभय किंजवड़ेकर है और मेरा सवाल ऐसा था कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत, स्वयंपूर्ण गोवा जैसी अनेक योजनाएं, इनसे प्रेरित होकर गोवा का जो यूथ है वो आज एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहता है, तो उनके सामने कौन से चैलेंजेस है और उनको कैसे ओवरकम करे वो?
Okay, the problems in front of an entrepreneur.
या पहले आपको आत्मविश्वास चाहिए। एक पंचलाइन बोलता हूं, लोग डरते हैं लेकिन निकल पड़ो, रास्ता अपने आप बनता है। जो निकलने के लिए डरता है उसको कभी रास्ता नहीं बनता है। तो नंबर 1 इज दैट। नंबर 2, जॉब, मैरिज, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, unnecessary expectation is the reason for distress. Low expectation and proceed. आजकल एक जमाना था बिजनेस करने के लिए पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है। खाली एक आईपीओ बनी जिसमें एक ही दिन में ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक लेडी हैज बिकम द रिचेस्ट लेडी इन द कंट्री। तो आपको बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, निकल पड़ो, रास्ता अपने आप बनता है।
Wow. Thank you very much for that answer. And that would be it from this session. Thank you very much, dignitaries on the dais. Thank you very much for being here in this last session of National Youth Parliament. Thank you very much, student leaders. Thank you very much, dignitaries. My friends, we are now getting ready for witnessing the valedictory ceremony of National Youth Parliament Goa in few moments from now. But it is our honor and privilege that we have with us a message, a video message from Padma Vibhushan, National Research Professor and Chancellor, Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai, and President, Global Research Alliance, and Chairman of Advisory Council of Expert Panel on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Padma Vibhushan, Honorable Dr. Raghunath Mashelkarji. He wanted to be here, but he couldn't make it due to some challenges. But he has sent his video message to all of us. I would request my technical team if they can please relay the video message we have received from Honorable Dr. Raghunath Mashelkarji.
Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawantji, our dynamic next-gen Rahul Karad, participants in this National Youth Parliament Goa at 60, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great privilege and an honor to have been invited to give this talk. To begin by saying that I'm very proud to be born in Goa. My Janmabhoomi is Goa, my Karmabhoomi is Maharashtra, and I'm proud of both of them. I will begin by talking about a document that was created, Goa 2035 Vision and Roadmap. I was privileged to chair this particular committee, which are great people like Dr. Vijay Kelkar, Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, Anil Kakodkar, Jas Korea, and a whole range of great eminent people. And we created this vision and roadmap for Goa 2035. And today we are talking about Goa at 60, but this is Goa at 75. And in that, you can clearly see here the figure of Parshuram, because mythology has it that Parshuram actually created Goa by pushing the sea back, by pushing 7 arrows. So what we said was that that was mythology, that were old times. If this was to be done in our current times, new times, what would be those 7 arrows? And the report was based on those 7 arrows. The first was Suramya Goa. I always say Goa is God's gift to India, serene and beautiful Goa. At all costs, we mentioned we must maintain this. The second was Susanskrit Goa, cultured Goa. Amazing confluence of culture, richness.